So there's a number of different type of DUI offenses in Arizona. Let's say you have no record and you're coming home from the ball game and you've had a couple beers. You still will be charged with what we call a slightest degree of impairment DUI. All the prosecution has to show is a very minimal amount of impairment by the person who is driving, and they can convict you of a DUI charge. That's called a slightest degree of impairment charge, and that in itself carries mandatory jail time even for a first-time offender. The next level offense up is what we call an extreme DUI. That's for people who have a blood alcohol level above a 0.15 with either their breath test or their blood test. Again, for a first-time offender, the consequences are mandatory jail time. It's a mandatory 30 days in jail, even if you have no record. Plus there's an ignition interlock device and about $6,000 in fines. If your blood alcohol level is above a 0.20, that's the next step. That's a super extreme DUI, and for a first-time offender, it's 45 days in jail, 18 months with an ignition interlock device, and when the fines and fees are added up, it comes to about $10,000 total. And again, that's if you have no record. With DUIs, everything escalates if you have a prior DUI within the last 7 years. So for anyone with a prior DUI, the offenses go up. They can sometimes double or triple the jail time and the fines and fees that I just described. Then there's an aggravated DUI, which is a felony offense. Where that comes into play is if your license is suspended for any reason and you get a DUI, that's an aggravated DUI. Additionally, if you have kids in the car, anyone under the age of 15, that's an aggravated DUI. Or if you have 2 priors within the last 7 years, 2 prior DUIs, that's also an aggravated DUI. Those are all felony offenses, and they all carry mandatory jail time or prison time.